Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffkneebaby TV. It's your girl Tiffany, and it's a pleasure to have you join us. If you are a first-time viewer, welcome, sis. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button so that you can continue slaying with me in the future. I have a new unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you today from Love Me Hair. Thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sending this over for me to review. As you guys know, I love a good pixie wig, and there is nothing better to me than a good slap and go. So I'm going to drop the intro. I'll be back to show you the unit, tell you everything that you need to know, and let you watch me work. Alright, so this is the beautiful packaging that these units come in. Love Me Hair does a fantastic job of making sure that their box is pristine, it's packaged nicely, and they also throw in some really nice goodies for you. This is the unit straight out of the pack. I always wash my human hair units before I put them on, so I did go ahead and give this a co-wash and let this air dry before we've gotten started. Now, because I didn't plan on wearing this as a finger wave style and I wanted to wear it as kind of a short pixie style unit, I did fluff this up as it was drying on the wig head so that it wouldn't dry flat. This is what it looks like currently. Here's a look at the inside of the cap. There is no lace, which I do feel is a bit misleading because on all of the photos and advertisements that Love Me has posted of this unit, there is a part in this wig. You do have two combs, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps, but this is what they're trying to pass off. It's parting, you guys. We'll see what we can do. Alright friends, so here are my thoughts on this unit. Once again, this is the Finger Wave Pixie Cut Short Wig from Love Me Hair. This unit retails for $79.90. However, I do have a 20% off discount code, which is Tiffknee20, which will save you some coins on this purchase. This unit is 100% human hair, which means you can dye it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want to this unit, and it should be perfectly fine. I did do a little bit of a faux part, and that did actually work out pretty well in my opinion. I think that especially from a distance you really can't tell that that is just makeup laid on top of that hair part, but I do think that this came together really easily. The razor comb is definitely going to be your best friend in terms of shaping the sides. My short wig bae over at Wiggin' Out, make sure you check out her channel if you're not familiar. It's the one that taught me how to get these short wigs together and showed us that tapering the sides and cutting your ears out is really the key to making these short pixie cut wigs look good. I really enjoyed this unit. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. This is definitely beginner friendly, being that there's no lace to cut. However, you do have to be comfortable with some scissors or a razor comb in order to shape it up to your face shape. Big shout out to Love Me Hair for sending this over. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to review this. I look forward to bringing you other Love Me Hair reviews very soon. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that button before you go. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure that you continue slaying with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Thanks so much for watching Tiffkneebaby TV. Bye, friends.